my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I am the owner of Hog On Welding LLC. And I wanted to talk to you about African American welders. African American welders only make up 8% of the welders in the United States. And majority of the welders that are in the United States are white welders because it is a white trade. But now there is a great demand. So if you're thinking about becoming a welder, and I stress turning a trade into a business because we have to start from somewhere. AWS released a report that said by the year of 2024, there should be a need of 400,000 welders. I know a lot of y'all want to jump into the field. There's different ways to get into it. There's different programs, self-tutoring, paying for classes, whatever you can do, but there's ways you can jump into that money to start your independence. So I wanted to give you some input on that because I read an article this morning and the numbers bothered me as far as like, man, we need to take advantage of it because the ones that are in the field now are older. They're retiring. And it says that the average welder retires around the age of 55. It said the average welder retires around 55 as far as working for a company because they've been probably working forever. So for those who want to take advantage of this opportunity, those who want to learn the field of welding independently or on the job, I think it's a wise thing to do. Now, I teach it independently. I teach how to turn a trade into a business. I teach field welding because field welding to me is a own demand. Also shop welding. So you need the fabrication and you need the installation. So I teach both. So, and not only do I teach that, I teach you how to turn it into a business. I'm going to show you how to start your EIN, get your business up, help you develop some products because it is products over talent. Because majority of the things that they need, this big need, will be making products in America. We'll be fixing the reconstruction of America, the highways, the roads, the bridges. It's so much money out here that we can take advantage of. So I wanted to tune in this morning because I read this article and I'm going to keep a link of it in the description to show you that, hey, we need to take advantage of this, man. It's time for us to get our hog on as a people. It's time for us to use what we got. Everybody don't want to go to college. Everybody don't have the mentality to do certain things, but you can. You do have the business. You do have the hustling. You just need to learn it. Once you learn it, you can take off. I'm from the streets. For those who don't know, I went to prison from 16 to 26 years old. I did a decade. And during that time is when I grafted welding. My mama introduced the welding to me when I was around 17 years old. So I've been chasing welding since 17, like the knowledge. I've been like hungry for it. And the things that I learned in prison, the trade that I learned, I just got out and I applied it. And I worked for someone. I actually worked for someone for 10 years. So I did 10 years in prison, got out, did 10 more years. And when I did my next 10, that's when I started being independent. That's when I started trying to figure out my own system, figure out what I wanted to do for myself because I knew I had something. Everybody has something different, but I put my time in. I got 20 years of experience doing this. So it's something I can help you with. And actions speak louder than words. I'm all about that. So I just wanted to say, for those who really, really want to learn, chase it. I don't know what area you're in, find that information. And for those who want consultations, those who want encouragement, those who want prints, those who want one-on-ones, hit me up on my website, www.hogonwelding.com. That's www.hogonwelding.com. Go on there and check me out, show support, leave a message, let me know if any of the videos I might drop on my YouTube channel. For those who are not familiar with my YouTube channel, please check it out. It's Hog On Welding on YouTube, it's Hog On Welding on Instagram, it's Hog On Welding on Facebook, Hog On Welding on Twitter, and it's Black Phoenix on all other platforms. That's Black Phoenix, F-E-N-I-K-S, and Black is spelled B-L-A-C-K. So for those who want to follow me, those who want to gain more information, keep checking me out, man. As I learn, my goal is to give you more so that way you can get hungry, man, so that you can only make that move and take that initiative to get your life to the next level. Hug on.